Good afternoon, magandang hapon, alas 5 ng hapon. Dito guys, lalakad kami ng baby ko. Punta kami sa patahian ng damit. Kasi papatahi ko yung aking jama. Punta kami doon sa sa kakilala ni Mr. Kaibigan niya yung asawa, mananahi. Tingnan itong body ko guys. Tingnan ang body ko. Ayan o. Maingay. Maingay.
I'm like looking after a ghost. Or the monster ghost. The
It's
burglar
monster.
monster is like the cat.
Monster na, may ghost pa.
And
Ay, naku. Asan yung bit ni Masud? Masud house. You know Masud house, Amina?
huh?
You know where is Masud house?
So I don't think so.
You don't know?
So
Me
what?
too. I forget where is Masud house.
So what? What do you think it is? So
Ang dami naman tayo ng baka nitong daan na to. Sino kayo nag-ano? Siguro mayroong nag-ano dito ng...
lucky mom.
Kasi dito guys, yung tayo ng baka, pinapatuyo nila. Yan ang pang fertilizer nila ng ano, ng mga gulay. Ng pag nag-ano sila ng palay, pag anong tawag dito? Pag nagpatubo ng palay na itatanim. Yun ang ano nila guys. Pang fertilizer.
Bed with dirty water.
Yan yung
That's the dirty
ukrahan,
water
no?
there,
Ang
Mom.
ganda ng mga dahon.
Mami?
Taba, ha?
Mom, that's the dirty water.
Yeah, that is a fish pond. Yan na, dirty water yung fish pond guys.
Hey, Tine. Kubis. Ada kubis. Oh, see? More dirty there.
Have fish there.
And also where the fish pond water is eating.
Come.
The chicken over there.
Come here.
Lovely. I love this place, right, Mom?
Oh, how you love this place.
Even lovely, right? Even. How many times is
How you love this place.
the Bagmara Evan? Every day! Even. Right, Mom? Every day. That's even.
Every day. Kakahuyan.
Even.
Where is the Masud house?
Hmm?
Masud house.
Master's house?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe too far.
I forget. Maybe this gate. Maybe this one. The left.
Huh?
Maybe this left side.
This side? Let's see. I don't think so.
See? Masud bait.
My mommy want to go there. Let's go there.
Come. Kalimutan ko kasi yun. I-ano ko muna to.